Anybody else want to comment about this? Do we have any other hands up, Hugh?
Nope.
All right. Allow me to give you a little additional information. What if I'm not directing you? What if those words, find the hidden tiger, are not directing you to look at eyes in the underbrush or something in the background? What if that instruction is intended to direct you to look at words? Does that change your perception and what you see?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Laurie says, I see it now. Laurie, you want to tell us where it is? No, let's go back to the hidden tiger for a minute, Hugh.
Oh, sorry. Just hit the button. Laurie, you want to talk? You're open. Your mic's open.
Yeah. Right before you said that, it was not after you said it, was right before you said that, I went, oh, wait a minute, it's on the tiger. So it's written in the stripes of the tiger, the hidden tiger.
Does everybody see the hidden tiger now?
I just look at the stripes of the tiger. The hidden tiger it goes right down his body.
Yeah. Right down from the head down.
Yep. Yep.
And Janet, as a conductor, I listen for things that are out of order or don't fit. So visually, I do the same thing. So the stripes just didn't look normal. So my eye went to what's the deal here? They don't look normal. And then I said, I see hidden. So it's a discovery when I found, no, there's something that wouldn't be how I would have expected to be. So that's how I got there.
And the funniest thing is that I saw a different tiger. I didn't see the writing. I see it now when you explained it, but I didn't see hidden tiger written on the tiger. I saw the two eyes on the right. I saw there was a snout, or my imagination made that a tiger. The snout and the two eyes on the right.
Yeah.
Wow.
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 It's a perfect.
Notice the distinction here between the words, which are to some extent fingers pointing at a focus or an experience. They're like arrows or guideposts saying, look there. And they're very useful and they're very helpful, but they aren't necessarily truth. The challenge in each and every moment is to connect the words that either you are speaking or somebody else is speaking to the underlying experience or reference or object, whatever word you want to use. And then you're connecting the words and what your mind is doing with what you're experiencing, with the actual experience. And then you can choose how to position yourself and where to focus so that everything fits together, just like a 10,000 piece picture puzzle. When you get all the pieces in place, you know what you have. And all the pieces fit. You still don't know what's outside the edges of that puzzle, but you know that you've got a complete puzzle and everything is integrated and fits together.